Hey guys, this is Brett with Lone Rock Concepts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Overland Water Pump Kit for the Wavian water container. So just take off the top lid here, and you're going to take your adapter piece and your hose. You're going to throw the hose through the middle hole here. Once the hose is through, take your plastic weight, put it on the bottom of the hose. Then you're going to take the top of the hose, this side right here with the dimples face up, and attach it to the bottom of the pump. Make sure it's snug and secure. You can then just plop it on, throw your hose in the water container, and then just screw on the adapter kit. If you need to reposition it, just pull it off, twist it to the desired position, throw it back on. Take your metal spigot, insert it into the plastic clip here. There's silicone inside, so you don't need to stick it in too far. Just wait until it grabs on the silicone inside and it's snug, and you're good to go. You can turn it up, use it as a drinking fountain or whatever desired position you want. And then when you're disassembling it, be mindful that you put your fingers on the plastic clip and just lightly twist the spigot out. It'll come right out. Then you can pull the pump off, twist off the adapter kit, throw it back into the pump, and just drain any remaining water. Once it's dry, you can just take it like this and throw it in the bag. The next time you go to install it, it'll be a little bit easier. Thank you guys for your business. Happy camping. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us at info@lonerockconcepts.com.